So the entire struggle and fight is predicated on the information you've been giving out concerning the fraudulent pastors, the
political class, yes,
the insecurity in the southeast,
the fake native doctors,
yes,
IPOB,
Nnamdi Kanu,
yes,
and the rest,
yes.
Because the case, it's a basket.
Well,
it's a web connecting from one to another.
Octopus.
Like, now, what exactly do you think the major thing you think is the cause of the insecurity in the southeast?
The major cause of insecurity in the southeast,
yes,
is ESN, is Nnamdi Kanu and those that are using him.
So you believe the call for an independent state of Biafra that is being championed by Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB are politically motivated?
I don't believe, I know it, because it's a private business. Open your phone. Type in IPOB Worldwide Limited.
IPOB Worldwide Limited.
It will take you straight to the UK company's house, right?
Should I add any like .com?
Just write IPOB Worldwide, send it on Google or Yandex, whichever one you're using. Just send it, you'll see where it takes you to. The first one, UK company's house, right?
What I'm seeing, they said your search, IPOB Worldwide Limited, did not match any.
Have they removed it? No, it's at the UK company's house.
That is what I said.
No,
doesn't match
maybe
any
let me do it for you. No, you shouldn't write it together like that. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
You space it.
Oh, okay.
IPOB Worldwide. See, it's here now. The first site. Watch it. What's the first website you see there? It's from the UK government. Then click on it. Have you clicked on it?
Yes.
Go down. You see where they wrote nature of business. Have you seen it?
Nature of business, yes.
What did they say? Cultural education and what? Radio broadcasting. Now you know why Simon Ekpa wasn't wrong when he said he's a content creator. This, when you hear that it's registered in the UK, this is what is registered as. And because they were using it to make money, and so long the people are focused on a non-existent Biafra,